ABC News obtained internal polling within the Trump administration. This polling, of course, indicates that Donald Trump, if the election were to happen today, would lose miserably to both Joe Biden and Bernie Sanders. And in response to that, Trump has decided to do away with the pollsters who were the bearers of bad news. This week, ABC News obtained detailed internal polling numbers that show Trump trailing Biden in key states like Pennsylvania, 55-39, and Wisconsin, 51-41. The poll numbers were confirmed by the campaign, but officials have said they were old numbers. In fact, this is a talking point that we're now hearing from Trump himself, who argues, I have the best numbers, the best poll numbers ever. This is all old, this is fake news. Now, there are two individuals who apparently got fired from the Trump campaign, but there is some reporting indicating that they are gonna leave the campaign and then go work for a Trump super PAC.
So Jake Tapper did a good job with this on CNN. He said he reviewed Trump's quote cascade of lies on this issue. So he says, no, the polls that are showing me is down are fake polls. He's like, no, just because you don't like them does not make them fake. They're in fact real polls, and they've been confirmed by ABC News. So, and he called him out for being untethered to the facts. And he said, what do you do with a mercurial boss who doesn't care about facts? So what did Trump do here? He basically shot the messenger. So, oh, you're telling me I'm losing? You're fired. I'm not losing. It's a fake poll. What do you do with a madman like that? So ostensibly it could be because that they got leaked somehow, but you know what the reality is. It hurt his feelings.
100%.
But facts don't care about your feelings. And so just firing your pollster ain't gonna help you. By the way, he in a new poll out, Ipsos poll, he is losing to Elizabeth Warren by 6. He's losing to Biden by 11, and he's losing to Bernie Sanders by 12. He's in a lot of trouble, and no firing of pollster is gonna help that. 2 easy ways to follow the Young Turks. One is hit the subscribe button down below, then you're a TYT subscriber. And second is ring the bell. And when you do that on YouTube, you're notified of our videos.